Delete all videos on TikTok at once. We are going to know how to delete all videos on TikTok at once. Firstly, you have to open the TikTok app that is installed in your phone. Just you have to click on it and the app will appear in front of you. Now you can see how to delete all videos on TikTok. Now you will see here there is an option of profile. Just you have to click on this profile option. You can see all the videos here which you have uploaded on your account. How you can delete by selecting all. This TikTok doesn't provide this feature to delete all videos at once. That's why we will use another method. Before this, just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Now you have to select your videos, and that is not possible to delete all videos at once. Then you have to just click on it and select. You can see there are three dots. Click on the three dots. You have to scroll this bar, and at the last you can see there is an option of delete. You have to click on it. That video will be deleted from your TikTok account. Thank you so much. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.